Today, we're gonna deep fry another classic dish.
But we don't know what it is.
Happy Friday! It's Friday! Can't believe it. You know, I'm getting less agita about these, but I still get very nervous.
Yeah, I do too.
And I can't believe you did not give my wrap last week at least a fry okay.
No. Some things are better left unfried.
Well, your brownies were excellent.
Oh,
it was
wow.
a super yay.
That's the way that you should always have brownies from now on.
Well, okay. All right, so let's go over the categories.
All right, we've got appetizers, breakfast brunch, soups and salads, handhelds, and beef.
Beef, your favorite. And we got poultry, pork, seafood, sides, and desserts. Hardly have we gotten into seafood yet? We don't get seafood or sides very
we
much.
can stay away from the seafood.
I think so too. All right, let's go.
All right,
it's your
I'm
turn.
spinning first, y'all. Wish me some luck. I need some Friday luck. Come on.
Beef soup.
Beef or desserts? Oh, I've got desserts.
Yeah,
no soups or salads, please.
Oh gosh.
Come on.
What is
Come on.
Pork. Ooh, now that could be porkalicious.
Okay, yay, let's
Have we
go
had
in.
pork before?
No,
I don't know.
I don't think we've had pork before.
Pork before. Oh no.
Country ham with red eye gravy.
Deep fried.
I don't have to deep fry the red eye gravy.
No. Well, you have to incorporate it. You could put it in the batter, maybe.
Wow. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing country ham.
Oh my gosh. I don't even know where you get a.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
It just sounds like it would be. Oh, you can get a country ham from the store.
Okay. All right. All right. Now it's my turn. All right. Come on. Be something good. I always get handhelds. Let's try something different. Okay. What is it?
Let's go for the appetizers.
I got pork. Oh my gosh. All right.
Oh, this can't be like a porkalicious day.
Well, it could be. It could be an all pork Friday. Okay, I can't get this.
Come on.
Work with me,
there
pork.
You go.
Ooh, okay. This is a stromboli with sausage. I think I drew this before, but we had to put it back because I didn't.
Well, and once again, you're running into a fried bread.
I really do the fried breads. You know what? I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna move
All
on
right,
to the next
pass
one.
it on.
I'm feeling good about this one. Come on. Be something good.
Woo!
Dessert would be great. I love dessert.
Yeah,
Breakfast,
well,
maybe appetizers.
Let's see.
Appetizers. Okay, so appetizers is like breakfast. It could be great or it could be awful.
I love that you got appetizers. Have we gotten appetizers yet? I can't remember.
I can't remember.
There's so many Fridays.
Oh. Tex-Mex queso. I have to tell you, I told you I lay in bed and dream, like, what if I got so-and-so? And I've thought about queso.
I can't believe
it's so difficult, and I'm doing, it's a complete risk, but I'm going to do it.
I can't.
I'm going to deep fry queso, everybody.
I can't believe you're going to do queso.
I'm going to do it. Okay, we've got 3 hours to either decide if we're going to make it or pick it up.
I'm picking it up. That's a hang.
Pick it up and how I am going to deep fry queso. Here we go. Okay, so I cannot believe I actually have queso. I am loco for queso. I mean, I have to make this work. I think if I can do it right, it's going to be epic. So I don't have time I love to make queso myself, but with my strategy that I'm gonna do, I gotta go get some. So I'm going to this, like, it's a Texas legend. It's called Rose's Tortilla Cafe. Anyway, and they have great queso. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna freeze it. And then I'm gonna be able to make little balls of it, and then I can bread it, and it's gonna be amazing. I gotta give it a little thought to the breading, but I've got some ideas. Okay, so I've got my chips and I've got corn tortillas. As I sat there in that very long line at the drive-thru, I think I figured it out. So when it's frozen, I could go ahead and bread it. I'm gonna pulverize the tortilla chips, but I'm afraid that the cheese might melt and get burnt. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly fry a corn tortilla, which I just ordered, and then wrap that around the cheese to encase it, and then bread it and deep fry it. I think we may have a masterpiece. I don't know, but maybe. So I come from a long line of truck drivers, so I know truck stops have the best country ham and red-eye gravy.
But I haven't had it in forever, so I thought, oh, I can just pick it up at the store. Well, no, I can't. And there are no truck stops close to us, so I'm going to Cracker Barrel. Yay! I heard they have a really good country ham and red-eye gravy. But that really doesn't matter because I'm going to deep fry it anyway. Now, talk about deep frying. I think I'm going to stay away from the heavy batter. I think I'm going to go with something a little lighter, like a breaded pork chop kind of thing, and do breading. Yay! Now I just have to figure out what I'm going to do with that red-eyed gravy. Got the country ham. Let's fry it up.
Okay, I'm so excited and so terrified.
First of all, what is happening over here?
I know, this is wild, this is crazy. I don't know, I've probably gone way off on a limb here. But anyway, I got home from Rose's, and so I pulled out my queso and immediately put it in the freezer because I wanted to get good and solid, or at least solid
I
enough.
was like, what is this here?
I know, you almost ate it, you thought it was ice cream. Anyway, so then it got, after about an hour and a half, it got pretty solid where I could take like a melon ball scooper and just scoop it out, form it into a ball, and put it back on this plate. And then I stuck it back in the freezer for it to get nice and solid. I mean, look at that. That's
genius.
I think.
Let's just
we'll
hope
see. Let's wait and see.
through that.
But I know. Now here is the big deal.
What else
So
is that?
so these, like I was telling you earlier, I'm worried about just breading them and then frying them. I think we need some sort of an encasement.
Oh my.
So this is just I got these corn tortillas from Rose's, and I went ahead and clipped. I want them to make sure they form as easily around this without a whole lot of overlap. I know it's crazy.
It is nuts. I love it though.
We'll see.
If this works, you might have a new trend.
I may have something on my hands. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the flour in here like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way. I know this is
okay. It's all right.
This is the tricky part. And then I've got my egg bath here.
Yeah.
Help me here.
Yeah.
And this is where it hopefully all starts to. It softens that tortilla even more, and it all just kind of. And my thought process was that, a corn tortilla, corn chips are corn tortillas, so I think it would be a delicious flavor sensation. Okay, so now this is where hopefully these right here, of course, these are, you get your tortilla chips. So I put them in a food processor and pulverized them. And
so basically, you'll have your chips and your queso all
in one crunchy, delicious bite.
Of course, it's a ball. We're always doing balls.
I know. All right,
but
so
if that works, Chris,
it could be spectacular.
Oh, all right.
All right.
Well,
Now tell us about yours.
You're doing that. I've got my country ham. Y'all, I don't know if you've ever had country ham, but it is so good. It is salty, delicious. I always call it like a pork jerky.
It is.
So
It is.
It's delicious. And
Decadently
the
delicious.
red-eye gravy is basically coffee and grease.
Well, it's the grease from the.
Yes, so it's got some wonderful seasonings in it.
From the can.
Right, but growing up, my father was a truck driver, like I said, and when we would go to the truck stop, I could never have the red-eyed gravy because nobody wants to give Wesley the child caffeine.
Yeah. you think he's talkative now?
Yeah, but so anyway, I took that red-eyed gravy and I'm soaking my country ham in it just to loosen it up a bit.
Good thinking.
It's tough. Country ham is tough.
Well,
and I'm gonna, I think I mentioned it in the car. I'm gonna use breadcrumbs just to, I'm just kind of sick. I'm sick of the. Oh well, I'm just talking. I'm sick of the batters.
Oh well.
Well, actually,
batter.
Yeah.
Well, I'm already done over here.
Oh, Chris. All right.
Well, I thought you were gonna be. You're just over there talking.
You know what? I'm just gonna do. I think I'll just do one. Right now, just to save time. Oh, here, I'll do them both. What the heck?
Okay, yeah, do them both.
Hold on.
I'm gonna do it just a little bit more.
Oh, y'all, this is crazy.
I know.
I think mine might be really good too because I love country ham and breading it, please.
I know.
All right, now I've got some. Here, I got some breadcrumbs just to make sure that the eggs, just to make sure everything sticks.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Now I'm going over to the breadcrumbs. Oh, you've got Chris is using our rinsing bowl that we've decided to get.
Yes.
Okay, Chris, how you doing?
I'm ready to go.
Okay, I am so close. Okay, that looks good. gonna make sure it's all. All right, ready?
Okay, yes.
Let's go in.
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Okay. I'm so nervous.
Oh, Chris, I hope they stay together.
I know I do too.
All right.
Okay. All right, we're going to let these go and we'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay. Okay.
Yay.
So far, so good.
Mine look like.
Wesley, that looks spectacular.
Mine look like pork milanese.
They do. They do.
Look at your. Oh, Chris, if these work, I will.
We will definitely have to patent them.
Yeah.
I am so excited.
Oh, wow.
I hope.
And
That
I
cheese.
should have let these just drip a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Well, that's okay.
That's all right.
It's just little
pork.
grease, never hurt anybody.
I'm basically pouring grease and coffee on top of it. All right, hold on. Let me just.
I'm so excited to try. I'm going to do a pierce.
Guys, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
And I bet the soaking in the red eye gravy. I'm just going to try something.
okay.
I just want to do. I want to poke this and let's see if we can.
All right.
Let's see if we have some melted. Let's see what it looks like.
Oh, my.
Look at that.
Oh, Chris. Get your hand out of the way so everybody can see.
We have deep fried queso. I'm going to add just a little bit of the salsa that I got from Rosa's.
Wow.
Just on the side. I'm okay. Oh, okay. What do we do?
Well, sorry, I'm gonna do it. I know. I'm like mesmerized by yours.
friend.
These look amazing, by the way. And I've got a little my red eye gravy here for dipping purposes.
For good old dipping purposes.
I'm gonna cut a little piece here, Chris.
I'm so excited.
I got a steak knife because I don't want it, because it's already tough to begin with.
Yeah.
Are you ready to take a bite?
I'm beside myself. I
Yeah.
hope it's as good as I hope it is.
It looks good. That's chips and queso in a bowl.
It totally is.
I cannot. All right.
Okay.
I'm dipping mine in my red eye gravy.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm calling them patent office, whatever they're called. How is that?
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Wow.
I have to have some more of this.
Wow. All right, come on.
Okay. Yeah.
Here.
I'll go you your whole one.
Oh, here, I'm just gonna do my plate. Chris, I'm gonna have to do this. I'm gonna break it open, see what happens. Oh, listen to that crunch.
Oh, Wesley, you were worried that this might be tough, but it's not.
Oh, look at that. Oh, forget it.
It's
I'm gonna
deep.
use my
Yeah. They're perfect appetizers.
hot.
No, they're just right. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, folks,
What on earth?
how is that not in like all over the place? It's,
Wow. It probably is because we.
no, I
live in
believe
the
me,
home.
I would know. I'm crazy for queso.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna say,
Yeah.
that's delicious. It's really interesting and it's southern and I love it. I'm gonna give it a fry, yay!
Yay! This is hands down the best of the day, and a super yay!
We
I
fried
love
queso! We fried queso! You guys, we had so much fun. We hope you did too.
Yes.
If you're feeling adventurous, deep fry some country
Yeah.
ham and queso.
And join us next Friday!